congratulate the churches because it seems you are improving. Because remember, the churches were part of the problem in Europe and certainly here because of the narrow-mindedness. The churches here in Uganda and of course the Muslims, we are part of the problem. So I'm very happy to hear the declaration here because you specifically denounce denominationism, because this was the problem of Uganda in the 1962 elections. One party was for the Catholics, one party was for the Protestants, the other one was for the Baganda Protestants. And the peace you are celebrating now in Uganda is part because we rejected that rubbish.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.